All right, I'm gonna go over how to make corn tortillas. I've done this many times on the channel, right? I've even shown you guys how to do it with whole corn. What I have is a really high grade quality one called masa. They sell the corn to restaurants. They used to sell corn to the restaurant I worked at, and they make this really nice masa harina for corn tortillas. So we're gonna make some masa harina corn tortillas right now. I'm gonna go by weight. So I've got a scale bowl down here. Okay, I've got 12 ounces of the masa flour, 1 pound of water, some of my flake salt. Mix this up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Beating the hell out of it for 3 minutes. And this is what it should look like, about where I want it here. It's not really sticking to my hands. Cover it with a towel while you're working with it so it doesn't dry out. And then I'm gonna form them into equal size balls by weight. You can also do it by volume.
This is where the old ladies will be like, what I would give to be one of those balls.
Before you press the tortillas, is you need to line each side of that ball with plastic. I find, actually a lot of people find, Ziploc bags to be the best way to line it. If you use plastic wrap, you're gonna have a hard time. So once you get that ball down, put the other plastic right on top of it, and then just give it a little smush. Just drop that down. The temperature of this guy is 450 degrees Fahrenheit, by the way. You want to make sure that this thing is ripping hot. If it's not smoking, then it's not hot enough. Also, don't forget to subscribe. So I'll usually have a little stack of tortillas here going, and they'll sort of steam themselves out. Now, here's something to take note of. You can't just serve the tortillas straight off of the griddle, because then it's just going to be stiff like this, you know? You don't want to serve that. That's really lame. As you can tell, if I take it out of here, whatever you're holding your corn tortillas in, make sure it has a towel and they're steaming out in there. That guy's ready to serve. See how soft that is compared to this? That's the difference right there. So make sure you toss them into your container and then just let them hold in there for about 5 minutes or so just to steam out before you even think of serving them. Dang, I make quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Corn tortillas, and that's how you make corn tortillas. Let me just show you a quick way my grandma would serve this to me when I was a kid. She still does till this day. Take the tortilla, then sprinkle salt all over that, and then roll it up just like that. That was my snack as a kid. Delicious. I'm gonna be going over a simple carnita dish, how to make carnitas, tacos, so stay tuned for that. But don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment. I'll see you in the next one.